Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag PostgreSQL debate tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to track every query in PostgreSQL 18 on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. So we'll go through the how to set up PG state statement setup in PostgreSQL on Ubuntu server. So we'll go through the step-by-step process. We need required a Ubuntu server. My Ubuntu server is running with the VMware workstation. You can able to see there is a server one and Ubuntu 24.04.3 LTS server is running there. So first I will access this server. SSH DEPT at the rate 192.168.136.128. This is my server. Password is admin at the rate 123. While installing this server, I have given the username and password. Okay. So we'll go through the step-by-step process. First, we'll update and upgrade the system packages. Let me copy this. So after that, we'll install Postgres 18 official repository and some prerequisites are there. So prerequisites are there, curl, CA, these are. Now this one is the main. If you are Ubuntu 24.04 LTS, this consider the uh, adding the repository already available for the Postgres 16, but we need the Postgres 18, so we need to just run this script. Okay, please enter to continue. Now, whenever you are changing any source list or anything, just update your system sudo apt update. So then done. So now next we'll install the Postgres 18. So command is sudo apt install -y, then we write PostgreSQL 18. Then we need the contribution libraries. This is the add-on. So we need contrib. So installation near about completed. So now we'll check the service. So sudo systemctl, then we will write the status and which one the status post gre SQL. So active and running. Now, so we have done this thing. Now we'll go for the edit configuration file. So this is the path for the configuration file. So control W or search for the set preload libraries. So whenever you are changing this one, you need to restart your service. So which service we want to add? This is the PG state statement. And we're adding this line. So statement max 10,000, track all, and PG state save on. So we need these three lines. So now save and exit and just restart your server service. So completed. Now I'll move to the Postgres user and create the databases. Sudo -i -u postgres user, then psql. We are logged in. Here you can see we are using the Postgres 18.1. So now create a user, admin user with the login password admin at the rate 123 and create database testdb owner of admin user. Let me run this. So done. /l. So testdb is there and owner is admin user. You can able to see here. Now we'll directly enable to extension inside the db. q/q exit and directly we'll just log in and we'll just create the extension. So created. Now verify PG state is activate or not. So here you can see we are getting. Now control Q. So example query generate the query history. So enable the PG HBA file and go down instead of local all peer and I will just log in with the password. Then restart your service. Then we log in as a user, Postgres user admin and database. Password is admin at the rate 123. So we are logged in. Now create a table. Add some employee data. Employee table we have created. Employee table and there is some data column details and we are adding. We are added three. Now select and select from a particular department. Set the salary 200 on the department HR and delete the employee where name is Dhruv. Okay, this one 45,200 and this will be deleted. So all the commands are there. Now /q. So we have created. Here you can see select asterisk from user. We are getting the all employee the data employee not user employees. So employee data. Then we are selecting where condition department IT. Then we are adding the salary 2000. Okay, 2000 not 200. 2000 for the HR. Delete the data where name is the Dhruv. So all the things are working. Now view all the capture query. So let me log in. So top query most called top 10. So these are the query grant we have done, then create view, then PG stay true, then this one. then create function, then select restrict from information, then we are added data into the database, then we have grant permission. So these are the queries. Now top 10 slow queries. So create database, this took around 54 millisecond. Create extension, salary, create view, done. So here is the this one slow query, so extension, employees, so all the data. So if you want to reset the query state, so you can go through this. We'll just check with all the queries. It will take a long way. So there is a grant permission, inserting data. So select PG state, extension, create database owner, create extension, create role, select restrict from employees, where department is equal to IT we have passed no. So that where name is equal to we are deleting the data. So all the queries you can get. Okay. So in this video we have learned how to track every query in Postgres 18 on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS using the PG state statement. So I have shown you the all the step by step process to configure this one. Disclaimer is that all trademarks, logos, and names belongs to their respective owners. This video is made only for the education information purpose under the Fair Use Section 107 and Copyright Act 1976. You can follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel, and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Subscribe for the free tutorial and learning certification tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Chirag tutorial. If you have any query, then please drop a question on the YouTube comment box. I'll create video on this. So hope this will help. Thank you for watching.